amazing, beautiful people. I just wanted to come on and show you guys a good haul that I picked up. It's a small haul, but it's a good haul. So I did get a delivery from Walmart Plus. I got the 60 egg count here. I got 2 green peppers. I got 2 heads of lettuce. I did get 2 tomatoes. I got some sweet baby Ray sauce. I did get some mild cheddar cheese. I got 2 boxes of Jiffy cornbread mix. I also picked up some nice fresh bananas. I picked up some Black Label bacon. I also got the Margaret Holmes seasoned snap peas, field peas and snaps. I got a can of red beans and rice, also from Margaret Holmes. I got me 2 Brussels sprouts. You know I love some Brussels sprouts. I got a red onion. I got a couple of packs of the fajita season mix. I got the McCormick fajita mix, some chicken breast. Gonna make some chicken breast sandwiches and also gonna make some fajitas. I'm going to try this parboiled long grain rice from Zataran. I love some parboiled rice. Try it. It's good. It tastes great. Some flour tortillas. And then I have a pack of assorted pork chops with 3 packs of brown gravy. I'm going to have that gravy with the pork chops and the Brussels sprouts, and it's going to be delicious. So yeah, this is a great haul, I want to say. I paid about $65 for all of this. So that's a meal deal. That is a meal deal. Hi, it's the next day, and this is my outfit for today. So I just got on an orange top from Walmart, some black leggings, and my Under Armour shoes from Kohl's. So guys, this is my style. I took off my scarf, and this is just like my little free bun. I call it the free bun. So yeah, that's what I'm sporting today.